Hey, what's up guys? Clayton Gets here. So I am super stoked to introduce you to the updated version of Real's financial product. What's up guys? So one of the really, frustrating things about running a business is, there's so many moving parts that sometimes the money, like the flow of money, we lose track, especially when your expenses are, if you're anything like me, you run a business or you run a real estate business, we've got all these different, systems and tools and websites and, marketing things that we're doing. And so it can be overwhelming if you don't have a plan for your money. And even when you do have a plan for your money, if it's not automated, that becomes a whole nother issue. And that's why my wife and I have been such a fan of the Profit First banking system for the past, going on about 18 months now. And it's really changed. So not only do we have a plan for our money, but it's automated. And what's really exciting about Real's new update to their financial technology product is they are integrating a Profit First component. Now we can't call it Profit First because it's proprietary and that's their thing. But I think you'll agree it's very similar. So what you're looking at here is when money comes into so this is a bank. So again, Real is the first brokerage in the world, to my knowledge, certainly in the United States, that has a fully integrated banking platform integrated into their technology. So here's how this works today. When your commission income comes in to this bank, okay, it's going to come into this cash account. So you see your cash account on the left-hand side there. Now, once that money hits, if you look over on the right-hand side there, you've got it looks like two credit cards, right? Those are actually, those are checking accounts or business checking accounts. So you've got your business account and then you've got your tax account here. This is the first stage in the evolution of this product. So as we launch this, you will have the ability to create a free tax account and allocate, as you can see here, you can allocate whatever percentage. I have allocated 15% of my commission income. So anytime commission comes into my Real bank, then it will automatically carve off 15% and place it into my tax account. Now, if you're going just like I did, then you get it, right? So again, having a plan for your money, but now we've automated it, right? So your money never has to leave Real's bank to begin with if you don't want it to. If you want it to, you can, of course. But if you don't want it to, you set the rules. You see the auto deposit rules right here. So you can go in here at any time and you can actually edit these rules from, and whether it's income from your commission, income from your revenue share, or any other additional financial opportunities that Real may introduce in the future. Right now, I've got it set for 15%. Anytime commission comes in, 15%. So what does that do? How does that make our lives easier? So if you are paying like we should be, if we are paying quarterly estimated taxes, then some of us in the past have been scrambling for money, right? Because we've spent the money. So now with this system, the money's just there. The money's there. And at the end of the year, what's going to happen is you're going to have money left over. God forbid when your accountant calls you and says, hey, Clayton, got some good news and some bad news. What do you want first? Give me the bad news. So the bad news is you got to write a check for $75,000 to the federal government, right? And I'm like, what's the good news? He's like, the good news is you've got the money, right? And so the money, and I've got the money because the money is sitting in the tax account that has been automatically carved off from my income account. Now, the evolution of this product is going to be like the next stage, which we'll be launching here soon, will be you'll be able to create a free owner profit account, or a free owner income account, or a free OpEx account. and you'll have the ability, again, to set up auto deposit rules and allocate certain percentages of your money to go into each of these accounts. I'm already running my businesses this way in another platform. As soon as this is available, we're moving everything over from our real estate company to this banking platform. And then how does that benefit us? Well, consider this. And this is, I think, one of the reasons why Real has spent a lot of time and energy on this financial technology product. If you look at the real estate space in general, if you follow kind of stocks associated with real estate brokerages, so you've got Remax, you've got Compass, you've got Realogy is a publicly traded conglomerate of real estate companies. You've got Real, LPT, EXP. And so what drives valuations for these companies, right? So it's growth, it's profitability, is stability. And so especially with these models in this virtual space that share backs a significant portion of top line revenue, these are lean models. And so when you have a financial technology product that is built in to your tech stack, all of a sudden, if you can pull this off and you can drive adoption, in other words, one of the reasons they're doing this obviously is because they want their realtor partners to keep their money here, and anything they can do to incentivize us to do that, then the more money that sits in Real's bank, and they're able to utilize that, earn interest as we begin to utilize the debit card and the credit card. There's a whole nother video on that. And those merchant charges go into effect, and Real's collecting a percentage of those merchant charges instead of them going to some third party, American Express or Capital One. This product has the potential to be worth more than the real estate company itself. So all of us in these virtual, real estate companies are earning stock. And I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday that just joined us at Real, $130 million a year team. He's kind of a big deal. And he said that his previous brokerage was poo-pooing the stock, Real stock, poo-pooing, you name it, right? Could have been EXP, could have been LPT. I will tell you that in the, 9, 10, 12 years that these virtual companies have been in existence, the amount of wealth that has been created by agents that have been acquiring stock has never been done in the history of real estate brokerages, because we didn't have access to it. Only the ownership groups had access to it, or the regional directors maybe got some stock. Now all of us can earn stock just by doing what you already do anyway, which is serving your buyer and seller clients at a really high level, right? So again, if we pull this off, and by pull this off, I mean if we drive adoption, then this is going to be worth more than the brokerage itself. It has the potential to be. And all of us that own stock in this company, it could get exciting, right? Stocks go up, stocks go down. But this is clearly a play to make our lives easier from a business banking standpoint, but also to make the company more valuable and more profitable for all of us that own the company, right? So super excited again. And we'll do, once the other accounts are available, I'll do a full overview of what that looks like and why the profit first banking, system or systems like it are so powerful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button if you did, and we'll see you next time.